Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to block someone in your Vivo Y20. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Vivo Y20 and you might be decide to block some particular contact. You don't want to receive any call or incoming call or text messages from those person, and you want to put them in block list. So in this video I will share to by step how you can do that. First of all, if some contact in your contact list and you decide to block them, you can do that. It's really very easy and simple. For example, this is a test contact and I would like to block this contact. So what you have to do, you have to just long press over there, and after click long press you're going to see here something say add block list. So if you click add block list, and you're going to see it saying you will not receive any phone calls and SMS from the contact once it's blocked list. So you're going to click here OK. That means this contact list is already blocked, and if someone going to call me, or if this person is call me, I'm not going to receive any incoming call. I'm not going to receive any SMS. Let me show you to one thing more. For example, you receive some calls from your for example in a call list, and you got some unknown number, and that number is annoying you, and you decide to block them. For example, I make here 333 and call, and let me see this is the call list, and I would like to block this number. So what you have to do, just long press over there, and then again you're going to see a screen appear just like this. Here if you click more, and then we're going to see here say add to block list. If I click here add to block list, and if I click here OK, that means this person also going to block list. From these two person I will not receive any incoming call or text messages. Now you might be decide to make someone unblocked from from your block list. See how you can do that. It's really also very easy and simple. Go in here in dial section, and then just swipe down just like this, and then you're going to see here something say call logo, and there is a 3 dot. Simply click that. After click over there, you're going to see something say block harassing calls. So when you click there, we're going to see here a block harassing calls different kind of setup. Also you can make block unknown number incoming call numbers. You can do that. That means whoever in your contact list, you're going to only receive calls or text messages, all of them other all unsafe or unknown number, you're not going to receive any call. So that is maybe if you need you can do, but I don't going to do that. And now one thing more, you might be decide to someone like you want to unblock them, you can do that. You can see here something say block list numbers. If I click there, I'm going to see here 3 numbers previously I had blocked. This is the numbers. If you decide to unblock them, you can just easily long press there, and then you're going to see here something appear delete. So if you click delete, and then you're going to see here the number will be deleted from the block list. So if I click OK, that means this number is deleted from block list. So from now, if he's text me or if he's calling me, I'm going to receive a call from him, or is going to receive a text message. Also, if you decide to add more contact from your contact list, you can do there. Click here add plus, and you're going to see all the recent calls, or if you have contact list, you're going to see all the contact lists here. But this is how you can easily block or unblock someone in your Vivo Y20. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.